Elongated cushions are definitely the hot shape of the year, okay? We have done so many variations this year. This episode, we're going to be focusing on the French Pavé version versus the Solitaire version. I know a lot of people who ask me, should I go for Solitaire? Should I go for French Pavé? And a little wedding band bonus video, of course. So stay tuned and watch this video all the way through. This is Bonnie Web by Bonnie Jewelry, where I talk about all things diamonds and craftsmanship. Okay, let's jump right in. So here I have a gorgeous 5.5 carat cushion cut diamond with the French Pavé and the Cathedral and the hidden halo. What is the difference between Cathedral and non-Cathedral? I will tell you the biggest difference, of course, number one is aesthetic. Some people like the look of the Cathedral, some people don't. We typically do ours tapered Cathedral, which we like because it kind of just goes up a little bit slimmer and touches the stone. And the second biggest thing besides aesthetic is that if the Cathedral touches the center stone, the basket, it actually adds as a secondary support. And so when I talk about this, I talk about this a lot. If you are getting a large elongated stone, the Cathedral really does help add stability. Once you go up from like 2.5 carat and up, you want to have that Cathedral to help support it. I have this one on my hand. That is our two-tone version. Okay, a lot of people ask, what is the purpose of the two-tone, Bonnie? Well, if you are getting a stone that's very white and you really want it to show white, that's what the two-tone will do, is that the prongs will help enhance the whiteness of the stone. But sometimes certain clients don't like that. They want the all yellow gold look. And we've definitely done that in cushion, in oval, and in radiance. And I can show you different examples of these similar rings done in different shapes. Of course, we have done it all platinum, especially I love the radiant cut version in the all platinum. It has lots of sparkle. It's just so shimmery all around. We've also done low profile version of a cushion cut diamond ring. I have some of the clients who are like, oh my God, Bonnie, I love your low profile setting. I love how it feels on my hand, that it doesn't kind of move that much and it just sits so still. Okay, we've done the matching set with the contour French Pavé. This is one of our newest addition. It is stunning, okay? We've done the original extra low version, which is the Haley inspired gold solitaire that a lot of you love. But we've done the cushion cut version of it now in the low profile with the double hidden halo and the contour French Pavé. It is chef's kiss, okay? Here's a quick wedding band pairing with it. You know, we have our Victoria setting in the round and it's also gold. Love how it sit flush together. I talk about it in a lot of my video. Plan your wedding band ahead. Make sure that they're designed together if you can, so you can have that flawless, stunning set on your finger. I've done the Solitaire set with the emerald cut band. It is chef's kiss. Stack it with another gold band. That's also something, if you love a lot of bling on your finger and you kind of want to contrast it, you can absolutely do that. And a little bonus, I've also done the cushion with an east-west emerald all around the ring. And that one is also stunning. If you love platinum, if you love the really icy look, there's just so much mix and match that you can do with our collection. So if you are thinking about a cushion cut diamond and you don't know where to start, send us a message. You can fill out an inquiry form on our website and we will be so happy to guide you through. Like this video, share with a friend. Which ring style was your personal favorite? Let us know in the comments below and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.